Welcome. For this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add a thumbnail to your assets. Go to your Assets Manager on Badvisor and select any 3D asset available in your list. Click on the Edit icon and wait for the 3D view to load. Hold your pointer on the asset and, as if you were in a scene, try to position the asset in a view that you like and click Generate Thumbnail. A message will pop up on top of the screen that the asset has been updated successfully. Now you can see the preview on your asset list, and if you jump into your scene and search for it, you will now see the thumbnails of all the assets you generate.